YouTube, what's going on with Charles Support Aircraft the Reactor here back here with another video. Today we're going to be reacting to Funniest Offensive Memes number 16 by Sleepy Memes. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, let's get into it. My brothers, my sisters, and my siblings. Let's get into it. This video is for entertainment purposes only. The purpose of this video is to make you laugh watching funny and offensive memes. They are not intended to bully or harass anyone. This video should not be taken seriously.
When I was 16 years old, I tried to kill myself.
Wow.
So that's my scar. Dog trying to eat me.
Okay.
Well. How the turntables?
Yo. Hello? This is beyond questionable. Okay. Hello? Sir. She's a child, a minor. It's Drake for real.
Turn to the person next to you and say, I am beautiful.
Oh, you shouldn't lie in church.
Love that show, man. Love seeing it, Spider-Man. Wow.
You won't be needing that one anymore.
Oh my God. Please don't tell me that's real. Please don't tell me that's real, bro. I would have been sick.
Yeah. Good luck, gentlemen. Okay, thank you so much. Don't check in, sir. Good luck.
Wow. Racist. Girls, period cramps hurt so much. Average ball itch experience. Yo, bro, I be scratching them for like 5 minutes, bro. And plus, if you have hair down there, bro, it's even it's 10 times worse, my guy. Yes, exactly how it feels. But this is nothing but facts. Me in front of me walking to the fuck. Me walking to the front of the class to do my presentation. I'm bricked up. My bro.
Ben, do you like black people?
Wow. Hello? What's that cream? Sir, what's that cream? What's the cream, sir? Love call West the last minute. Oh God.
Oh, hell!
Nah, word.
Just found out women have rights. Take them away. You don't deserve them.
Holy shit, you just got clipped, you fucking virgin?
I'm not a virgin. My cat sniffs my willy.
Whoa.
The reason I pulled you over is because you were driving over the dark limit. I mean, you were driving too black. Nick.
Wow. I just have to shower. Wow. No thought, man.
Is she even legal?
Wow.
You know we don't care about that.
Hey, Darman fam, I hope you love that message.
Got the bitch on my ass in the hood cause they think I'm warm. I'm just focused on music. They say my last tape was a classic. I got some hotter shit.
As a black delegation, a member of the black delegation would to simply deny your request. We'll send it over to the Mexicans, to the Hispanics. Wow. These AI generated shit. Cross is crazy. Hiroshima is insane. His art is crazy. Oh my god. This shit is crazy. Clubs? Yeah?
If you're enjoying the memes, make sure you join the Discord, link in the description.
Shout out to the Discord. Wow. When you're both done smashing, he forgets to say no homo. That's homo already. Why you let this nigga smash? Shit. Hold on, let me fix the light. Yeah. Perfect. I'm like, fuck it. But why you letting the homie smash though?
I knew there was something off about you. You're gay.
When Bo decides to go to the urinal beside you, so you give him a real surprise. Hey yo! Hey yo! The abortion doctor. All right, you're all done. Woman called the con. Wow! That's reminded me of cracking my jam.
Is there a wild animal in our house? Who did this?
No, you're back to your proud. Just know where that's real.
That's my fucking location.
If you want to figure out how to be like a pro
Drake. Oh my god! Oh, that's an A1 joke. That's a great joke. Even we just don't make those types of jokes. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god! If you got it, like the video. The rest of it was classic.
You look lonely. I can fix that.
Did you pray today? Did
oh
you
god!
pray today?
Did you pray, doggy?
Because if you didn't, I'ma have to dig you down on some piece of shit.
What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is that?
I need food. No,
You got to pay like premium.
I need food. No, I don't want that. I want food. No, I need. What is that? I need food. She's taking the shit. What is that?
The first thing that comes to your head when I say something. You ready?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. LeBron.
James.
Chris.
Paul.
Bosh.
Travis.
Scott.
Justin.
Timberlake.
Mia.
Oh no, he's done. He's packed up. He's ready to go. Pack him up. Pack him
That's
up.
tough. They got you locked up for life, my boy.
Hey yo!
What the hell wrong with you?
You freaky ass dog.
Hey yo!
You freaky ass monkey. Okay. Cute kitty. What is Trump yapping about? Boy speaking Japanese. Don't eat chicken. They have wives too. Now basketball people is crazy.
There isn't much time.
No, there isn't. In fact, there's no time at all. Why are you here? How can you possibly bring me lower? What more can you take away from me?
I have a question.
Crazy.
Ask a question. You should. Answer I will. Yes or no.
Do you support racism?
Yeah.
He said yeah. He didn't even say yes. Nigga said yeah.
It's a girl.
Hey, what you doing here, buddy? Your owner's probably looking for you. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hands! Let me see your hands! Stop resisting!
Crazy work. Oh, I would have been sick. Nah, you got kicked in the balls. You got shot in your head.
Very important. If you use hand grenades, please use vegan grenades.
Come over here and pick up a grenade.
These are potatoes, Comrade Commissar. Why are we using potatoes instead of real grenades?
They have a special sticker on them. You really can't miss them in the grenade market or wherever you buy them.
Blackberry Bubbly, my favorite.
You mean bubbly?
No, I mean Bublé.
You're Michael Bublé. That's a bubbly.
She's right, Michael Bublé. It's pronounced Bublé. I know, thanks. Dave.
Can I have your autograph, Mr. Bubbly?
Get a job, nigga.
Bublé.
Wow. Okay, that really ended the video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.